If you don't start your morning right, the rest of your day might be doomed. A chaotic morning can set a negative tone that's hard to shake off. But fear not. In this video, we'll share 8 essential habits to kickstart your day and propel you towards success. These simple routines can transform your mornings and consequently your entire day. Ready to change your life, one morning at a time? Let's dive in. 1. Avoid checking your phone. Imagine this. You wake up and the first thing you reach for is your phone. Instantly, you're bombarded with emails, notifications, and social media updates. Your brain shifts from peaceful slumber to full-on stress mode within seconds. Not the best way to start your day, right? Avoiding your phone first thing in the morning is crucial for maintaining a calm and focused mindset. Instead, give yourself the gift of a tech-free morning. Most people do the exact opposite. Upon waking, they immediately start scrolling through social media. They're greeted by a curated stream of highlights from other people's lives, sparking instant comparisons and, often, feelings of inadequacy. You see your friend's tropical vacation, another's career milestone, or someone's perfect body, and suddenly you feel inadequate and start questioning yourself. This sets a negative tone, impacting your mindset for the rest of the day. By resisting the urge to check your phone, you avoid these comparisons and start your day with a clearer, more positive mindset. 2. Remember that time is ticking away. From the moment you wake up, you're racing against the clock. Time is a finite resource, and once it's gone, you can never get it back. Most people lounge in bed, scrolling through their phones or dozing off, thinking they're relaxing. But what are they achieving? Lying in bed might feel nice, but it doesn't bring you any closer to your goals. You need to recognize the urgency of seizing the day. Every second counts, and wasting time is the ultimate luxury you can't afford. Instead of lingering under the covers, get up with purpose, ready to tackle your day. Reflecting on the fleeting nature of time instills a sense of urgency and focus. Don't let the comfort of your bed rob you of precious time. The clock is always moving, and every second you spend lounging is a second lost forever. Time is relentless and unforgiving. Grasp its value and make every moment count. Act now, because the opportunity to change your life slips away with each passing minute. 3. Express gratitude. One of the most powerful ways to start your day is by expressing gratitude and being thankful for what you have. It's easy to overlook the small blessings in life, but taking a moment to acknowledge them can set a positive tone for your entire day. Understand that gratitude shifts your focus from what you lack to what you have, creating a mindset of abundance and positivity. Think about the little things you might take for granted. The fact that you have 2 arms and legs, the ability to breathe easily, or even the internet to watch this video. These are not small luxuries, but significant blessings that many people do not have. Start your day by listing 3 things you're grateful for. They don't have to be grand or profound. Sometimes the simplest things bring the most joy. Maybe it's the warmth of your bed, the taste of your morning coffee, or the support of a good friend. When you're aware of the good things in your life, it becomes easier to face challenges with a positive outlook. 4. Reflect on your vision or purpose. Knowing what you want in life is crucial for achieving your goals. Without a clear vision or purpose, you may find yourself drifting aimlessly, never fully reaching your potential. Taking time each morning to reflect on your vision or purpose can ground you and provide a sense of direction. Think about what you truly want to achieve and visualize the end result. This mental exercise can be incredibly motivating, reminding you why you're working so hard in the first place. It's not just about setting goals, but about understanding the deeper reasons behind them. This clarity can drive you further and push you to overcome obstacles that stand in your way. Reflecting on your purpose each morning also helps you stay focused on what matters most. It aligns your daily actions with your long-term goals, ensuring that every step you take is purposeful. Remember, a clear vision is the compass that guides you through life's challenges and triumphs. 5. Set daily goals. Building on your vision or purpose, the next step is to set daily goals. This practice ensures that each day is structured and productive, moving you closer to your long-term objectives. Setting daily goals doesn't have to be a time-consuming task. It can be done quickly each morning. Start by listing the most important tasks you need to accomplish that day, prioritizing from the most critical to the least. This prioritization helps you focus on what truly matters and prevents you from getting bogged down with less important activities. Be realistic and specific about what you want to achieve. Break down larger tasks into manageable steps and celebrate your progress, no matter how small. This habit not only boosts your productivity, but also reinforces a positive mindset, making your day more satisfying and effective. Setting daily goals transforms abstract dreams into actionable steps, ensuring that every day counts towards your success. It's a simple yet powerful way to maintain focus and drive, turning your vision into reality. 6. Do some form of movement. Kickstarting your day with some form of movement is like revving up the engine of your body, the vessel that carries you through life's adventures. Whether you're up for a high-energy workout or just a few simple stretches, moving your body in the morning can set the tone for an incredible day ahead. Imagine starting your day with a burst of energy, sweat dripping from a satisfying workout, your heart pumping, and those endorphins kicking in. It's like giving your body a wake-up call that says, "I'm ready for whatever the day throws at me." This doesn't mean you have to hit the gym for an hour. Even a brisk walk or a quick set of jumping jacks can do wonders. The key is to care for the body that carries you through life, or you risk your health falling into disrepair. Moving first thing in the morning ensures it gets done, as it's often harder to find the motivation later in the day. 7. Practice mindfulness. Practicing mindfulness in the morning is like giving your mind a clean slate, ready to take on the day's challenges with clarity and calm. Mindfulness, at its core, is about being fully present in the moment, and it can significantly reduce stress and improve your overall well-being. Even just 5 minutes of focused breathing can center your mind and prepare you for the day ahead. Most people, however, go through life on autopilot. They rush through their mornings, consumed by thoughts of the day ahead, never stopping to question their routines or reflect on their thoughts and emotions. This lack of mindfulness means they react to life rather than engage with it, often feeling overwhelmed and disconnected. By practicing mindfulness, you break this cycle and start your day with intention and awareness. Mindfulness isn't just about meditation. It's about integrating awareness into your daily activities. For example, as you drink your morning coffee, take a moment to savor the aroma, taste, and warmth of the cup in your hands. This practice, known as mindful eating or drinking, encourages you to slow down and appreciate the small moments, helping to prevent the rush and anxiety that often accompany a busy day. 8. Embrace discomfort. Life is often filled with challenges and tasks that are not enjoyable but necessary for growth and achievement. Embracing discomfort is crucial for stepping out of your comfort zone and making significant progress. It's easy to shy away from difficult situations, but avoiding discomfort can lead to stagnation and missed opportunities. Consider this. The most rewarding achievements often come from facing and overcoming challenges. Whether it's a tough workout, a challenging project at work, or a difficult conversation, pushing through these uncomfortable moments builds resilience and strength. By embracing discomfort, you learn to adapt and grow, turning obstacles into opportunities. Remember, if you only stick to what's comfortable, your life is unlikely to change. True growth happens when you push your boundaries and take on tasks that stretch your capabilities. Start your day by tackling a difficult task first. This sets a tone of achievement and prepares you for whatever comes next.